Hello ladies and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So today I'm going to do a product review on the Foreo Luna 3 cleaning device. So they sent this to me in order to try it out and talk to you about it. It's a cleaning device that connects to your phone. And I'm going to show you on the phone. This is the app. You download an app and it basically has on it the different settings that you can use on the device. So it's really unique. And when I first saw this, I thought, that's really unusual. I don't think I've ever heard of that before. And also, is this really necessary? Is it necessary to have an app with your facial cleaning device? That was my biggest question mark. So I will answer all of those questions. Before we get started, please visit my website at thebeautyshaman.com. And also, please hit the subscribe button so I can continue to make great content here for you on YouTube. Let's get going. Okay, so for starters, why do we need to use a cleaning device? So many of you already use different products that are cleaning devices. And on the majority of them, they have different heads that you have to change out and get new ones. And that's just something you have to take into consideration when you buy that particular product. But the question is, do we really need cleaning products and what's the difference with this one? So I would say it really is a personal choice. I think the cleaning devices, the benefit that cleaning devices like this have is that it really gets in and removes dirt from makeup and from our everyday life in a very thorough way. So it's more thorough than you just, kind of using your hands and washing your face or even a washcloth. So that's wonderful part of this is the cleaning capacity that this has. And that can really help with cell rejuvenation, with minimizing fine lines and wrinkles because you're not getting as much dead skin sort of setting and staying on your skin. It's helping to keep that flowing and removing it. Keeps all the blood flowing in your face, which is really wonderful. And this actually has two sides to it. So it's got this side, which is the cleansing side, and it's kind of bumpy on this side, and it's very, very soft. And then it has the other side, which has these ridges. So this is more for like a facial massage. Blah, blah, blah. And I think what's great about the app is that it can walk you through that particular aspect of it. So you hit settings and it brings up the different settings that you're going to have, that you can choose to have on your face. In other words, the different levels of intensity depending on the part of your face that you use it. So if you like more intensity on your cheeks, you can set that. If you like less intensity on your forehead, you can set that. So that's kind of a cool feature. And then when you use this part, which is the facial massager part, I love this because especially at night when you're scrubbing your face and you just take a moment to use this, it can really relax your jaw. I tend to grind my teeth at night. Many of you are like this. So it's a really neat feature with that. Okay, so the question now is, how does it work? So how it works is on the back, there's this little button. And you have to pair this with your phone app. So it's actually not difficult at all. It's very self-explanatory. You go in, you download the app, you set up an account, and then once you get your device found on there, you push this and it will pair with the app. Once you get that all set up, you don't need to have the app in order to use this. It's just to set it up with however you want, however the intensity that you want is all that's for. And you can go back in and make adjustments to it. It also has little tutorials on there to show you exactly how to do a facial massage, and the best way to clean. So, there's a few functions within that. So I think that's the purpose of it. I actually think it's a cool idea. Do we really need that? I don't know. I think it's a cool idea though. And I think it blends modern technology with your facial cleaning routine, which I think is a very unique idea. So I've actually had a great time doing it. I think it's made me more disciplined about how I clean my face and how long, because it times you. It says, okay, I'm going to do this for, 30 seconds. And then bing, okay, let me go do this side. So it'll tell you when to switch sides. It makes a little noise. It's kind of cute. Or it stops working is what it does, and it switches you over to the other side. And then you massage on that side until you stops vibrating. And then you go to the third side. So it can really make you more disciplined about that. And that's what I've noticed about it is I'm much more like, oh wow, I really didn't really do a good job cleaning my face before now, because I didn't use a facial cleaning device before Dermstore sent this to me. So I've enjoyed it and I think it's done a great job. I'm really happy with the results on my skin. And the reason I would lean more towards this device is that it's a one-time purchase. You just purchase it and that's it. You don't have to continually buy the heads in order to clean your skin as you do on other devices, which is a continual line of purchase. I really shy away from that sort of thing. I am a very frugal person. I really prefer a one-time purchase and then I can just use it how I want. And that is exactly what this does. It's very easy. After you use it, you just rinse it under warm water and put it aside. It also comes with this cute little baggie, which I think is really sweet. You can just dry it off, put it in the baggie, and use it next time. It doesn't tend to hold any bad bacterias or anything. It's made out of silicone, so very sanitary. Okay, so now I'm going to go take off my makeup, come back, and show you how to use the device. So if I want to use this as a muscle relaxer, oh my God. Oh, that feels nice right on my jaw. I tend to clench my jaw when I sleep. So that's the Foreo Luna 3 facial cleaning device. I think it does a great job. It definitely gets rid of all of the makeup residue that I have from wearing makeup. I feel like I love the vibration of the cleanse, and as well as being able to turn it over and work on my jaw muscles is really awesome. So I also love that I don't have to spend any more money. Like, this is it. I love that you don't have to use it with the app. I think it's a really easy device to use. I mean, I think it's, might take you maybe, a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes to clean your face, and it'll do a really thorough job. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned something from this. I would love to hear what you have to say down below, any thoughts or questions you might have. Again, you can find this device at the Derm store. Have a great day.